Alright guys, so as you're going through this vocabulary again today, I want you to remember, I want you to write it in your social studies journal because there's some hard words in here and you need to know what they mean. And then you're going to take a picture of your journal where you wrote these down and attach it to the next page so I know you did it. And pause it. If you need to pause, if I'm moving too fast, then pause it and write it, okay? Your first word is amendment, and that's what we're going to be talking about today, are different amendments to our Constitution. And this is an alteration of, which means a change, or addition to a motion, bill, or Constitution. So this is going to be where they're either going to be changing or adding to the amendments of our Constitution. Okay, the next word is Constitution. And this is the system of fundamental principles according to which a nation, state, corporation, etc. is governed. So it's kind of like a set of laws or rules or ideas. Naturalize means to give rights and privileges of a citizen to a foreigner. So somebody that was not a citizen of the United States could still have our rights and privileges if they're naturalized. Jurisdiction. This is the right, power, or authority to administer justice by hearing controversies and determining their outcomes. Prohibit is to forbid an action, activity, etc. by authority or law. And that's all. You didn't have as many today.